If you're feeling confused about which trolling motor to get, this is the video for you. Gone are the days where there are only one or two trolling motors worth putting on your boat. Today, the options are plentiful, and choosing which would be best for your boat can be tough. But let's take a look at some of the options out there and what makes them a good choice for your boat. Just a few short years ago, Motor Guide and Minn Kota had the market pretty much locked down with their offerings. But today, there are other manufacturers producing really good trolling motors that are worth looking at. Manufacturers such as Lowrance, Garmin, PowerPole, Rodan, they've all come out with their own versions of the ultimate trolling motor. Today, let's check some of the offerings from Garmin, Lowrance, and Simrad. In other videos, we'll look at offerings from Rodan and PowerPole. Navico, a division of the marine powerhouse Brunswick, is the parent company of Lowrance and Simrad. Under each brand, they've recently entered the trolling motor market with the Recon trolling motor. This thing is chock full of the latest technology and is definitely worthy of consideration for anyone in the market for a trolling motor. These trolling motors utilize powerful and virtually silent brushless motors that provide impressive thrust in an efficient battery power saving manner, allowing for a longer day on the water. These are built in both fresh and salt water and are available in shaft lengths from 48, 54, 60, and 72-inch versions for freshwater models and 54, 60, and 72 for saltwater. Both have excellent built-in GPS with an anchoring mode that will work in conjunction with your Lowrance displays running from your displayed charts. The standout feature of these trolling motors is not just the excellent programmable wireless foot control that comes standard with their freshwater models, but also the unique joystick control feature-rich wireless remote called Freestar, standard with both fresh and saltwater modes. With this remote, you can effortlessly steer the motor as well as jog your anchoring position easily wherever you want in seconds. This trolling motor also comes with Lowrance's excellent full-featured transducer installed and can be switched out for other models. Any of Navico's trolling motors would be an excellent choice, especially interfacing them with Lowrance and Simrad's newer displays. Garmin also has entered the trolling motor market with their Lowrance Kraken motor, and very recently their Lowrance Pro motors. These two utilize powerful and efficient brushless motors, providing near-silent power, all while using less of your battery power. They can produce 100 pounds of thrust at 36 volts and 80 pounds at 24 volts. These trolling motors utilize a multi-band GPS receiver and built-in heading sensor that allows for rock-steady position holds and bow placements, as well as course running based on the chart plotter or fish finder they're connected to. Select Kraken models include a built-in GT56 UHD transducer that allows for clear and sharp clear view and side view sonar, as well as chirp sonar. If you want to add a live view transducer, it's easy with Garmin's inside the shaft cabling. One feature in particular that's great with this unit is the point-to-steer capability of the remote. Simply point the remote in the direction you want to go, and it'll steer there for you. The Lowrance Pro also has reverse thrust capability, no longer requiring the motor to turn to reverse its course. Garmin Kraken trolling motors are a must-see and a great option to pair with your Garmin displays. That's a look at Garmin, Simrad, and Lowrance. Stay tuned for another video on Rodan and PowerPole's trolling motor offers. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you back here soon.